can you do dry cleaning yourself? While it is possible to do some types of dry cleaning at home, it is generally not recommended. Here are a few reasons why. Safety. Dry cleaning solvents can be hazardous and may release harmful vapors when used. Handling these solvents can be dangerous, and it is best to leave dry cleaning to professionals who are trained in their use. Effectiveness. Dry cleaning professionals have access to specialized equipment and techniques that can be more effective at removing stains and cleaning clothes than DIY methods. Fabric damage. Using the wrong cleaning method or solvent can damage certain types of fabrics. For example, certain solvents may cause colors to fade or weaken the fabric. Dry cleaning professionals are trained to use the correct cleaning methods and solvents to avoid damaging the fabrics they are cleaning. Overall, it is generally best to leave dry cleaning to the professionals. While it may be tempting to try to do it yourself to save money, the risks and potential for damage to your clothes make it a risky proposition. We really appreciate your support. If you want to see more of our videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.